Now, the opposition is concerned that proposed changes to Jamaica's procurement procedures could lead to corruption. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced on Tuesday that the threshold for procurement will be increased. That would reduce the red tape and time it takes to approve and execute projects. Checklists and guidance notes have also been developed to improve efficiency.
In the case of contracts for goods and services, we'll be increasing the threshold below which single source procurement is permissible from $1.5 million to $3 million, Madam Speaker. The $1.5 million threshold has been in place for almost a decade. And for works, it will go from $2 million to $5 million. In addition, we're going to be moving the limits required for public procurement committee approval from $30 million to at least $60 million. So we are going to be empowering procuring entities to have more autonomy and to award higher value contracts without need for external approval.
Parliament will have to pass changes to procurement laws. The draft bill is expected to be tabled in the first quarter of the new fiscal year. While acknowledging the need for streamlining procurement procedures, opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson says the government should outline the mechanisms to ensure a smooth transition.
We want to be assured that the integrity of our procurement process remains in place and that there will be no loopholes for persons to benefit corruptly from the awarding of government contracts. In this regard, we are calling for the government to publish all contracts over $10 million on our website. When the former Contractor General existed, we had a quarterly publication of contracts so that there could be transparency and openness as to who received government contracts. That process has not been continued with the Integrity Commission. We believe it's incumbent on the government to put that data in the public domain if we're going to be changing and relaxing procurement rules.